China is taking the lead in cutting-edge transportation innovations, transforming the way we think about mobility. From floating SUVs to flying cars, these revolutionary advancements showcase the country's ability to push technological boundaries. Let's explore some of these futuristic marvels. BYD Yang Wang U8. The floating SUV. The BYD Yang Wang U8 is redefining SUVs by introducing the world's first floating vehicle. Its hydraulic system can raise or lower the car by 150 mm, making it adaptable to various terrains. One standout feature is its ability to perform a 360-degree tank turn, perfect for tight spaces. What sets the U8 apart is its floating mode, which activates in emergencies like flooding. It can stay buoyant for up to 30 minutes, moving at 3 km/h while maintaining passenger comfort with sealed windows and air conditioning. While not designed for recreational water use, it offers a practical solution for navigating flooded streets. Priced at $50,000, the U8 combines safety, technology, and luxury to set a new standard for SUVs. China's SkyTrain, Aerial Urban Transit. China has unveiled the SkyTrain, an unmanned monorail system that redefines urban public transportation. Stretching over 10.5 kilometers, it can carry up to 200 passengers at speeds of 60 km/h. Built in just 7 months, this elevated train bypasses ground-level congestion, offering a faster and more efficient alternative to traditional trains. Its aerial design also frees up urban space for parks and roads, making it a win-win solution for modern cities. With this innovation, China is showcasing how advanced technology can solve urban mobility challenges. EHang 216S. The drone taxi EHang's 216S is a groundbreaking drone taxi that addresses urban mobility with style and efficiency. This fully autonomous electric vehicle features 8 pairs of rotors and can carry 2 passengers at speeds of up to 130 km/h. The EHang 216S is designed for short to medium distance flights, featuring advanced safety features like rotor redundancy for emergency landings. Its eco-friendly, quiet operation makes it ideal for crowded cities, offering a glimpse into the future of aerial commuting. NIO ET9. Redefining luxury EVs. The NIO ET9 sedan is turning heads with its innovative features and premium design. This electric vehicle boasts a unique ability to shake off snow from its roof using its hydraulic suspension system, a feature perfect for snowy climates. Equipped with a dual-motor drivetrain, the ET9 delivers 77 horsepower and offers a range of 255 kilometers. It also charges quickly, with a 5-minute session providing enough power to get back on the road. Priced at $110,000, the ET9 blends luxury with practicality, making it a standout in the EV market. XPeng X3. A flying car revolution. XPeng's Aero HT X3 is a flying car that combines vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) technology with traditional driving capabilities. Weighing around 1,936 kilograms, the X3 can fly for 35 minutes at speeds of up to 130 km/h. In car mode, the X3 functions like a standard vehicle but quickly transitions to the sky. It features a recharging system where the ground module powers the air module for maximum efficiency. With a panoramic cabin and manual or autonomous control options, the X3 is a game-changer for personal and urban transportation. Other futuristic innovations. Lazarus LMV 496. A motorbike that transforms into a flying machine using kerosene-powered jet turbines, delivering an exhilarating ride both on the road and in the air. GAC-GOV. A flying car featuring a detachable drone module and autonomous navigation, offering seamless transition between driving and flight. Zoox Robo-Taxi. An Amazon-backed autonomous electric taxi designed for urban environments, featuring a symmetrical design for bidirectional travel. Ridroid Kanguro. A versatile robot that functions as a personal assistant and transforms into a scooter or Segway-like vehicle for short-distance travel. eVTOL aircraft. YA-1. The JA-1 is an electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, designed for fast, eco-friendly urban travel. It offers smooth, quiet, and emissions-free flights, ideal for navigating congested cities or reaching remote areas. With advanced safety features and intuitive controls, the YA-1 represents the future of personal aviation. Shane Electric Concept Car. The Shane Electric Concept Car features a unique 2-wheeled design capable of seating 5 people. Its self-balancing wheels and shifting center of gravity provide stability and safety, combining high-speed potential with a futuristic design for a thrilling driving experience. Toyota Concept iWalk. The Toyota Concept iWalk is a three-wheeled electric vehicle for short urban trips. It's equipped with a joystick for easy navigation and can expand its wheelbase for added stability. This vehicle offers autonomous functions and is ideal for seniors or anyone seeking a simple, efficient mode of transport. Honda Moto Compacto. Honda's Moto Compacto is a lightweight, foldable electric scooter. Weighing just 18.7 kilograms, it offers a top speed of 24 km per hour and a range of 19 km per charge. Its portability and ease of use make it an ideal solution for short city trips. Yamaha Motoroid. The Yamaha Motoroid is a motorcycle with AI and self-stabilizing technology. It recognizes its rider, maintains balance autonomously, and features haptic feedback for an immersive experience, offering a new level of interaction and safety. Honda Uni 1. Honda's Uni 1 integrates augmented and virtual reality into its system, enhancing the driving experience. It features real-time navigation displays and virtual training simulations, making it both a practical and futuristic mobility solution. Hydrofoil Jet Ski Flyway. The Hydrofoil Jet Ski Flyway, designed by David Vukovic, uses hydrofoils to glide above the water's surface, achieving speeds of up to 88 km per hour. Its eco-friendly, quiet operation and long-range capabilities provide a responsible and exciting way to enjoy water sports. InMotion V14. The InMotion V14 is an electric unicycle perfect for urban commuting. With a top speed of 110 km per hour and the ability to tackle steep inclines, it offers a compact, efficient, and thrilling mode of transportation. Origo Autonomous Pods. Origo's autonomous electric pods are designed for both passenger and cargo transport. Equipped with advanced AI, these pods navigate autonomously, integrating into existing infrastructure to reduce congestion and emissions. Rosenbauer RT Fire Engine. The Rosenbauer RT is a hybrid fire truck with a high-voltage energy system, allowing quiet and efficient operation at emergency sites. Its compact design ensures quick access to equipment, setting new standards for sustainable emergency services. Global competition. USA versus China in transportation innovation. The US and China are competing in transportation innovation. China leads in electric vehicle production with companies like BYD and EHang, focusing on affordability. The US excels in high-performance EVs, autonomous technology, and aerospace, emphasizing luxury and advanced features. Both nations are investing heavily in infrastructure. China expands EV networks and high-speed rail, while the US advances autonomous road networks and clean energy policies. Emerging trends in mobility, 2025. By 2025, technologies like electric motors, hydrogen fuel cells, and sustainable aviation fuels will transform transportation. The US leads in EV performance and aerospace, while China focuses on mass market adoption of cleaner energy solutions. Both are investing in greener, more efficient systems. Thank you for watching another episode of Space Odyssey. While you are still here, don't forget to like and subscribe.